Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to talk about the fused lenses. So what are fused lenses? Fused lenses are replacement lenses for your RayBan and Oakley sunglasses. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon when you be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate your help for it. Thumbs up. So you get this packet that comes for your sunglasses, like these. These are the RayBan, and you can see my RayBans, the lens is all scratched up here. My frame's still in good shape. So I can't really use these designer sunglasses. I can float them out, or buy a new one, or just replace the lens. So notice these are around $30 for these lenses. You get a lot for your money. So first thing, it does come with a bag. I don't know why they did that. A cleaning cloth would be more reasonable, I guess. But they came with a bag.
I don't need a bag. Because the money.
Got the logo. And you got one pair of lens. So of course this is the logo. Okay, I'm gonna pop one out. As we see over here, pop one lens out. And I mix them up. So you can tell the difference between the two. Some of you guys probably, guys and girls probably could tell the difference. Guys and gals. You notice the one on the left is actually the new one, and the one on the right is the old one. It's scratched up. You probably could tell that way too. Looks very similar. I think the new one is a little more thin, but as long as you can see through them, offer UV protection like these, is reasonable. So next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to snap it in. For the RayBan, I have to snap it in from the front. It just pops in. You can see the fit and finish. It's perfect. It's not it pops out. It's not a line or anything like that. Nothing like that. Carbon mirror polarized is darker than this one. I have the gray polarized one. So I actually have that in order right now. Here's a little preview of how it looks like outside at my other friend's place. Take a quick look. The negative is it's not scratch resistant though. I noticed that you can actually also scratch these in the longer time period as well too. Doesn't offer scratch resistant. Saves you money on the new lenses. Works really well. I mean, fit and finish is great if you notice that. And instead of buying a new pair of designer glasses, could be about $300. Why don't you just fix the lens? And yeah, by the way, you can actually change the color of the lens if you want to. There's a lot of different other colors to choose from. Their website actually has the most info. I'll post that in the description as well. So the verdict is basically the pros and cons. As you can see from the plus and minuses. The only thing is it's not scratch resistant. You do get markings and scratches on it. So it's possible. UV protection at a reasonable price. Saves you money. Why not? Hope this helps you out. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.